Meaning of loquacity.
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 Loquacity. The term loquacity refers to the quality of being very talkative or speaking excessively. It is often used to describe individuals who have a tendency to talk too much, or to talk at great length about relatively trivial or unimportant topics. The term can be used both positively and negatively depending on the context in which it is used. For example, a public speaker who is engaging and entertaining might be described as having great loquacity, while a person who dominates conversations and fails to listen to others might be described as having excessive loquacity.